morning, guys. This morning we're going to another Cars and Coffee. We're going to mix it up a little bit this time. We're going to the Legacy Innovations Cars and Coffee, and it's over at the Belmont Bean Company. First things first, though. So yesterday I was working on the Vet a little bit, messing around with that. Actually had a dead battery I had to replace, and I pulled a thermostat out, hoping that would help the overheating issues. Unfortunately, it didn't, so we're going to keep playing around with that. But one problem with having too many toys is you kind of got to move stuff around every now and then, because guess what? We're taking the 720 to the car show this morning, so I'm going to have to move everything around. Alright guys, we're on our way over to Belmont Bean. I'm with my buddy Zane here.
What's going on?
We were talking coming up the road, and I didn't realize it, but we've been buddies for a while, and he's never been in the 720 yet. He's been in the 570, so I mean it's cool that he can compare them. But you know, what are your thoughts on the 720 so far?
Alright, so the car feels a lot bigger. It is a lot bigger. You got all the exposed carbon. I love the way it sounds. Much faster, obviously. Haven't really got on it too much yet, but I can just tell it's faster. Love the aero in the wing. I mean, I can't find many things to complain about the car.
Alright, so there you have it. I think Zane gives it his stamp of approval. So we will see you guys over at Belmont Bean. Alright guys, I'm back home from the car show. It was pretty cool. There were all kinds of different cars there. I would probably say my favorite was the wide-bodied Corvette. That thing was pretty cool looking. This is a nice short video for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a pretty good time. What did you think, Zane? Did you have a good time?
Yeah, I had a pretty good time. The way home was pretty fun. There was a bike trying to play around with us a little bit, so it was just a fun time. Nice morning. I don't know, just friendly faces, fun time.
Yep. So I hope you guys liked the video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop us some comments. Thank you.